The Blue Line Park walkway, with its beautiful seaside views, sky bridge, and iconic sky trams, it's a must when you're in Busan. The bordered walkway follows along the west coast from Haeundae Beach through the fishing village of 청사포 and ends at Songjeong, Busan's main surfing beach. You can see the route either by walking or taking one of the colourful sky trams and trains that face the ocean. We decided to walk the length of the boardwalk and sky tram back in time for sunset. Make sure you buy or book your tickets in advance during the busy season, as the lines can be long. Along the way, make sure you stop at 청사포, a sleepy fishing village filled with unique cafes and the iconic red and white lighthouses. Further along is the Daratol Skywalk, a glass-forward lookout that overlooks both Songjeong and 청사포. They even give you little socks to avoid scratching the glass flooring. Warning to those of faint of heart who don't like heights, this can be quite intimidating. Finally, the boardwalk ends at Songjeong Beach, Busan's surfing hub where you can have a drink and take in the sea air and perhaps a surfing lesson or two. We then returned to 청사포 to catch our sky tram just in time for the sun to go down. From here, you can see all the main sights of Busan in one view: Haeundae Beach, Gwangali Bridge, Oryokdo Skywalk, and Yeongdo Island. As always, travel information is in the description box below, along with a link to book your SkyTram tickets. Please consider subscribing for more Busan travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one.